Bring it up. Hurry up. Bring it here. Or close the door first. Hurry up. Close it. Bring it to me. Bring it over here to me, please. Now, get your biscuits. Get your biscuits.
What, is that his treat?
Yeah. Bring them over here, bud. Fetch one up. Get one up. Give it to me.
All right.
Want that biscuit? Well, now, just a second. Just a second. Just give me a taste. See if you like it. Taste. Just taste it. Taste it. Taste it. All right, you want it? Say please. Bang, I want a dead dog. Over. All the way over. All the way over. All the way over. Get over there all the way. Dead dog. Hurry up. All the way over. Come on, dead dog.
Yeah.
Dead dogs have to close their eyes. You have to close their eyes right up. Close them right up. Get up. You give me a beer? Casey. Casey. You lay down. Both lay down. Casey, give me a beer and hurry up. A beer. Hey. Fetch a beer and let's get at it. Hurry up. Bring it over here. All the way around. Here.
You can drink it, so.
Door's open. Close the door. Fetch one up. Fetch one up. You guys ready? I want you to sit right there. Just a second. Just a second. I know you don't like this. That's the way it works. Put your nose down. Lay down. Don't drop them. Lay down. Don't drop them. Lay down. No one drops them. Easy.
Oh my God.
Come on. All the way down. Come on, big guy. All the way down. You guys ready? Go. Go.